Hey guys, so it's just almost 7 p.m. on Wednesday, and so thought that today I make a final video on this here, our air conditioner. So yeah, the very last video on it, because we are getting a whole new unit tomorrow. So this is a Carrier, and let's see what's the model number. It's 38TKB03610. Serial number is 139308146. So I believe that this is a 1993. So this is all the specs on it. I'm not exactly sure of the SEER. I think it's probably a 10 SEER. Just like I said, I'm not really 100% sure. So it's been really great for us now for almost 20 years. So we had a tune-up on it, let's see, around 3 years ago. But it's just now getting to the point, it's tired. And it has worked really well throughout the years. It hasn't been quite keeping the house all cool, especially during the hot summer days where it just runs all the time, just non-stop until it starts getting dark outside. And so yeah, so I'm not gonna turn it on because since it's 60 degrees out, so it's not really warm enough to have the AC on. And so yeah, and also the air handler slash the heating furnace, we've had that replaced back in 2007. That's going to get replaced as well, so we're going to get a whole new unit. And the brand of the stuff that we'll get will be a Westinghouse, so we decided to stick with it. I don't really know too much on Westinghouse, so hopefully they'll work really well. So we'll have a brand new compressor, brand new air handler, and a new heating furnace. So cool. So this will end up costing us at around $5,000, well over $5,000. So let's just hope if that'll be worth it. Hopefully this whole new unit will work out by this summer. So cool. Now I'm not gonna show our air handler because it's up in the attic, because I don't really feel like going up in the attic just to show it. I do have a previous video on it back in 2009. See, I also have a video of this running as well back in 2009, and y'all usually do hear this thing running whenever I take videos out here during the summertime when I'm doing the lawn cutting videos. And so yeah, so it's been great. It's been great for us for the past 20 years. So cool. So I'll definitely make a video of the whole new AC system. So cool. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching.